What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to the Olympus Academy, guys. Today I will be talking about Euro USD and gold, as mentioned in the previous live streams. Today, Yongjing is unfortunately not going to be able to follow us today and be our host because he is currently cooped up at work. So without further ado, let me delve right into the charts on Euro USD. We can see that price actually, it is very bullish on the daily time frame as mentioned. And if we go down to the lower time frame, let's talk about the 30 minutes time frame, shall we? And for the entire move today, we can see that the entire move today has been very bullish. Price literally continued its trajectory upwards and retraced down and is currently hovering at about 1.230323. So if we go down to the smaller time frame on Euro USD, right, let's talk about intraday analysis over here. We can see that price actually swept this liquidity here, and it's also currently ranging, guys. It's ranging. So this actually, it really matters to us because when price ranges, it's best for us not to enter anything in the market unless we see a very clean sweep of liquidities. We can see this liquidity here being swept. And we can also see liquidity above that's being built. So if we go down to the smaller time frame, let's talk about the 5 minutes time frame. Actually, there are multiple shorting opportunities that we could have taken out on Euro USD. And currently price seems to be, it literally just cleared liquidity right above here. It's very interesting to see how price moves from then onwards. It's really just building liquidity now and it's ranging. And for me to take any potential positions, be it longs or shorts, I would need to wait for a clear break of structure. And when I mean the break of structure, I mean that price would have to clear this area here cleanly and sharply. However, also, price can possibly do this, and I will consider a short position. However, for long position, we can note that there's a lot of liquidity building up here, guys. A lot of it. So that's an area that price can possibly come down before clear these levels before heading back up. So guys, do take note that it is an area that is very likely the price can tap into. So that would be the 1 minute time frame for Euro USD. However, my personal opinion is that price is very consolidatory and rangy this week, and it will likely remain so. However, do take note that there is the FOMC meeting minutes coming up tonight at 3 a.m. or tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. And that is something that you have to take note because at such a data-driven market, the moment a sign of market coming out and some signs of hawkishness or risk-on environment comes out, the market reacts to it incredibly, and that's really give rise to moves such as this entire move down, the entire bullish move up. So we definitely have to stay vigilant. However, just looking on the 4-hour time frame, we can see some crazy rejection off the bottom side, right off the 4-hour time frame, and it's closing in about 40 minutes, guys. And this entire candle might actually just flip bullish, but we gotta see how it is, because this entire long wick here signifies very strong rejection off the downside. So actually price can really just go both ways now. It can, my opinion is that it will just remain rangy, could possibly just do some kind of range up and down until the FOMC meeting minutes come out, and then we will see how price move from there onwards. So that would be it on Euro USD, guys. So if we move on to the gold chart today, let's talk about the gold chart, shall we, guys? So if you look at the gold chart, guys, we can see that on the daily time frame, price actually came down from the area of supply that we have talked about, guys. And it seems that it is continue going down, but the pace of its bearish movements is slowing down. That is very interesting, right, guys? Because we can see that it is looking more like a retracement rather than a actual bearish move downwards. So because of that, we can likely see more continuation, bullish continuation upwards. And I actually believe that this move down is to clear some of the market inefficiencies on the left side. Over here, And over here, these are some areas that price actually is tapping down to clear these areas. And there is also liquidity present here. So do take note of that area, because price can also potentially tap into that area, clear those areas, start to move up, and actually continue break up to the upside. I believe that gold is something that we want to be in pro trend with rather than counter trend, because with such bullish movement and momentum coming into gold ever since the past month, it is best to say that, or it is safer to look for longs on gold. So we'll be waiting patiently on gold. If you look all the way on the 1 minute time frame, guys, let's go down to the 1 minute time frame. We can see the price is currently ranging. It is in a range currently, and I would honestly be more comfortable if price actually come down to clear this level here, this specific level here at 1732 before hitting back up. However, of course, price can start moving back up from now onwards, and I will definitely keep an eye on that. I actually gave a forecast on gold yesterday on some gold shorts, and price actually came down really nicely, guys. Very nice. So we can see price actually coming down from here, came down about 300 pips. There's a very nice pip counter back. So any of you guys who actually followed my TradingView, that price actually, really came as forecasted, and I'll hope to be giving you guys more gold forecasts in the future. So actually that would be it for today's stream, and it'll be a short one today, guys, okay? But do trade safe in the market, okay? Make sure you guys employ proper risk management, and we would like to see you guys earn some profits as well of this market, of this volatile market. Remember, when the volatile market always acts as a double-edged sword. On the one end, it can let you, lose a lot of money. On one end, if you manage your risk properly, it lets your gains be exponential, guys. So, just trade safe in the market. If there's no setups today, just do not take any setups today. However, if there are setups today, of course, you got to capitalize on that, guys. Okay. So I see Aras Rizga, Euro USD. Yeah, man. Actually, you can go back, and I actually analyzed the Euro USD chart. Okay. So I believe that Euro USD is currently in a range and is most likely going to continue consolidating. So Aras Rizga, I know you always come down to our streams. We really appreciate the support that you're giving. Okay, so just make sure that you stay tuned, because there's a lot more coming up next. Yeah, so if you guys have any other requests to analyze any other currency pairs, definitely do let us know, guys. Do let us know. Okay, it's a pleasure to always, be able to provide such value for you guys, and we really appreciate the people who are coming into this stream. And although currently there's only 2, but one day we will make it. And Aras, we will remember you. So if we go down to the 1 minute time frame, like I mentioned, all right, gold is actually bullish. Very bearish right now on the 1 minute time frame. And I actually early on mentioned that it can possibly come down to clear these potential lows and liquidity zones. So that's an area that I would really like to see price tap into before I enter any form of long position onto gold. So yep, that would be it for today's stream. And I hope that you guys have a very fruitful session watching the stream. Okay. And stay tuned. Okay, Aras. Okay, you can go back and look back at the stream, because I definitely talked about Euro USD. Yeah, so just go back and have a good read. And at the same time, make sure you guys follow our social media links on Instagram. The link is in the description, and the link for our TradingView is also in the description. Last but not least, signing off, it's Chen Yu. I'm very grateful to be talking to you guys every day, almost every day, and I will hope to see you guys tomorrow again. However, just a side note for tomorrow, right, is something special, because we will not be having a live stream, but I will be uploading a video on the potential upcoming forecast on the USD. That is very interesting, especially with all the fundamental aspects hovering around the USD currently. It is important for us to actually give a USD update. So do stay tuned for that recording, because I'll be publishing it about 9 p.m. and I hope that you guys or maybe 10 p.m. and I hope that you guys really gain much from it. Okay. Yep. So it's me signing off, and really appreciate you guys to come and watch us. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you guys